Today was the road test day for my Burtz engine. My friend Tripp and I left Wichita Falls in our 1931 Model A's. He was driving a two-door sedan, and I was in my Victoria. We first drove to Archer City, Texas, on Highway 79, which is where The Last Picture Show and Texasville were both filmed. We had a great breakfast at Mern's Cafe, which is across the street from the Spur Hotel. We then drove west on Highway 25, passing Mankins, Texas, and turning back on FM 367 to Wichita Falls. We covered about 100 miles, all mechanically uneventful. The Burtz performed flawlessly, maintaining 25+ pounds of oil pressure and engine temp of 140 degrees. Needless to say, I'm a happy camper.